Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be giving you some tips and tricks. Tip 1 is how to get more tomato plants for free, and tip 2 is how to grow the biggest and the best tomatoes. So let's go to the greenhouse and talk you through each step more thoroughly. So we're in the greenhouse, and you're actually getting a sneaky peek of a video that we did over the half term where we built some beds. So you get a sneaky peek. But here's our tomatoes all along here. So we've got suckers on this, and the way you can get free tomatoes or tomato plants is by taking the suckers off, putting them into a pot and letting them establish into that pot. Because what normally happens is when you have the suckers, it's too late in the year for them actually to produce anything, because they will try to produce fruit and they will try to produce tomatoes, but it's normally too late in the year, and then instead of putting their energy into the main part of the plant, they're going to put energy into the suckers as well, trying to get them to produce tomatoes. So we've got two kind of sizes of the suckers, which is basically one at the top here, which is quite small. This is the size that you probably want to try and get them off at. It's quite small, so I'm just gonna take it off. So this is one sucker. This is a small one, but yeah, if we actually go down here, so at the bottom here you've got the main stem, you've got the branches, which is this bit here, and then here, going up here, is actually sucker, which is what formed when we first put the plants in. So I'm just gonna try to get this out. So we got that out, and so ideally you get them when they're first at what the size of the first one was, which is a very new sucker. But this one is because we didn't pick them early enough. So we've picked those two. We've got a lot more to pick, so we're gonna do that and then we'll be back. So we've actually got two trusses on this one tomato plant. We've got one down here, then we've also got one that's very newly formed up top. These are the actual bits that are going to produce tomatoes, and they're about 2 foot, which means we need to start staking them very, very soon. We let them grow to about 4 to 6 trusses before we pinch the top so they don't grow anymore. So here's another one. It's just right here, so I'm just going to pinch this one out. So this one's also a reasonably new developed one. So if you do have enough time left in the growing season, you can put these into pots and then let them try and establish. You do need to make sure the tomatoes are ripe though before you start picking them. There's probably a lot more in here, so I'm going to find another one quickly. Right, so here's another one. This one's a little bit older than those two that we just picked out. So this is just probably 2 to 4 minutes of picking off suckers. So we've got some smaller ones and then we've got some big ones. So we're probably going to attempt maybe to put some of these in. Hopefully they establish. But this is the importance of picking suckers, because it means that energy can actually go into the main part of the plant. That's going to be it for this video. If you did enjoy it, make sure you do like the video, subscribe if you are new, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye guys.